Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to create a heat map matrix table in Power BI to visualize peak order times by day and hour, all in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Before creating the heat map, we have to create some temporal columns. Our dataset contains a booking date column. From this date column, we will extract the daily hours and weekdays for heat map analysis. Go to the Power Query, select the booking date column, then go to the Add Column tab. Select the date option and then choose Day of Week. A new column is created showing the day of the week corresponding to each date value of the booking date column. Similarly, create a column for name of the day corresponding to each booking date value. Now, we will merge the day of week and day name columns so we can sort the days in proper weekly order. Select both of the columns, go to Transform tab and choose Merge Columns. For separator, select Space and name the new column as Weekday. Next, select the Booking Date column again, go to the Time option and then choose Hour. Another new column is created showing the hour for each date time value of the booking date. We've now completed the data transformation process. Now go to Home tab and select Close and Apply. Go to the Visual Gallery and select Matrix Table. For rows, add the newly created column Weekday. For columns, add Hour. And for values, add Booking ID. Then set the summarization to Count. This arranges the weekdays from Sunday to Saturday on the vertical axis, the hours of the day on the horizontal axis, and the count of booking IDs, which represents the total number of orders, as the values. Now, go to the Format pane, turn off both row subtotals and column subtotals. Set the layout style to None, since we'll be designing this as a heat map, so we don't need any other styles. Next, go to Cell Elements and turn on the background color. Select Conditional Formatting. For maximum value, choose a darker color, and for the minimum value, choose a lighter color. Now, we have a heat map, but the numbers don't stand out well. So let's apply the same style to the values too. Turn on font color and again select the conditional formatting. Pick the same dark color as the background, and for the minimum, choose the same light color. This blends the numbers with the background, making the table look like a proper heat map. Finally, go to the grid section, select Options, and set the row padding to 2. This slightly enlarges the rows and makes the matrix more compact and visually balanced. You may notice that the width of the hour columns is not consistent. That's because some hours are single digit while others are double digit. To fix this, let's create a calculated column that formats all hours as double digits by adding a leading 0. I've shared a DAX function for this in the video description. Go to the Table Tools tab, click on New Column, and in the formula bar, paste the function. This will create a new column called Hour Calculated, where values from 0 to 9 now start with a leading 0. Now in our matrix visual, replace the existing hour column with the new Hour Calculated column. All the hour columns now have equal width, giving the heat map a cleaner and more balanced look. Okay, to show the marginal distribution of orders by daily hours, let's create a column chart. Go to the Visual Gallery and select the Stacked Column chart. For x-axis, add the Hour Calculated column. For y-axis, add the Booking ID column. Now, go to More Options, sort the axis by hour, and set it to ascending order. Go to the Format pane, turn off the title, as well as the values and title for x-axis, and the values and title for y-axis. Go to the style option and turn off the background as well. Resize the chart to match the same length as the hour axis in the matrix table. Now create a duplicate of this column chart, copy and paste it in the Build Visual pane. Change the x-axis to weekday and change the chart type to stacked bar chart. In the Format pane, turn on the values of y-axis. Go to More Options, sort the axis by weekday, and set it to ascending order. Next, turn off the y-axis values again to remove the clutter. Go to the x-axis settings. Under the range option, turn on the invert range. This aligns the bars to the right side. Resize the chart to match the same length as the hour axis in the matrix table. Now, for both charts, turn on the ribbons and set their transparency to 0%. Choose a lighter color for both visuals to keep the design clean. This setup gives us a clear view of the marginal distributions, highlighting peak order hours and peak order weekdays. Let's now style the visuals. Set the column background color to light gray and do the same for the row background color. Insert a rectangular shape behind the visuals. Go to Shape Style. Change the fill color to white. Turn off the border. Set rounded corners to 8 pixels and add a subtle shadow. Then, go to the Format options and send the shape to the back. Finally, set a suitable title for your visual to complete the layout. This heat map shows the peak order times and days. The darkest blocks appear roughly between 10 AM morning to 5 PM evening, indicating these are the busiest ordering hours. Similarly, Monday to Thursday show higher ordering rates compared to other weekdays. And that's how you can easily visualize and interpret your data using heat maps in Power BI. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. We'll be uploading many more tutorials and tips on Power BI very soon. Thank you for watching.